Hello friends, today we talk about Kuznets curves. The Kuznets curve is a graphical representation of the relationship between economic development and income inequality. It is named after Simon Kuznets. It suggests that as an economy develops, income inequality initially increases and then decreases. This relationship is often depicted as an inverted U-shaped curve. Kuznets curve in the initial phase or early stage of economic development as a country transits from an agrarian to industrial economy, income inequality tends to increase. This is because industrialization often benefits a small segment of the population, typically those with access to capital and education. Then comes turning point. After reaching certain level of average income, the benefits of economic growth begin to spread more widely across the population. Increased access to education, better health care, and more inclusive economic policies help to distribute wealth more evenly. Then comes the decreasing inequality phase, that is known as latter phase. In more advanced stage of economic development, income inequality starts to decline as more people gain access to opportunities created by economic growth. Social policies, progressive taxation, and welfare system also contribute to reduce inequality. Extensions and criticisms. One more concept is environmental Kuznets curve. An extension to the concept, this curve suggests that environmental degradation initially worsens with economic growth but improves after reaching a certain income level. As societies can afford cleaner technologies and stricter environmental regulations. This theory is criticized. Some argue that it oversimplifies the complexities of economic development and income distribution. Empirical evidence is mixed, with some countries not following the predicted pattern. Additionally, factors such as globalization, technological change, and policy decisions can influence inequality trends, which is not captured by simple Kuznets curve model.